Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles, and today we've got an interesting one. This comes from Japan, and it's by Yamadai. It also came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader for a discount. This is New Touch Nostalgic Burnt Soy Sauce Ramen. Yeah, let's do this. So we got boiling water. And we've got here's our, what do we got here? Yep. I'm gonna drop this in. We're gonna drop this in. It's funny because it's like I keep seeing now a difference. Some varieties ask you to do everything at the end. Some varieties ask you to do it at the beginning. So I'm doing it at the beginning. I don't care, because it's really not going to make... Some people get really, really weird about that aspect when to add things. Sometimes it really does matter, and sometimes it's just not going to make any difference in the world. So, like with this, I'm going with the latter on that. And we're going to do... frickin' thing. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Upside down. So it looks weird. Yeah. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of walking. Got invited to a walking challenge for Fitbit, God, like yesterday at noon. It's like kind of late in the game it's called a work week hustle, and it's like you get a bunch of people to join, and whoever gets the most steps in a week wins. Well, I'd been ramping up the amount of walking I'd been doing every day, but the person who invited me is an old adversary or competitor, or yeah, and she was 8,000 steps ahead of me, so she wanted to get me in there. I was like, all right, fine. I haven't done one of those in a while. And I lost. I lost by 8,000 steps, but yeah. If I'd have known all week that I was going to be doing a competition, I would have won that. So... yeah, she walks a lot. It is good, you know. I ended up doing 17 miles yesterday, which is the most I've done in forever. All of it outside. I used to do apartment laps, and I just can't do that anymore. Not only because we have downstairs neighbors that probably would absolutely hate it, but just because it's not very fulfilling. It's like walking back and forth out there, which is like maybe 20 feet. It's boring. I walked from here to Bothell around a loop and back, and then all the way down to the sign that says welcome to Seattle, and then back here, and that was like what, 27,000 steps. And then I went out last night and I ratcheted it up to 36,000, which is a lot. I'm pretty stoked on that. Personal best. No, not personal best. What best I ever did in one day was, I think it was like 75,000. Which was ridiculous. That was like, I got up early, did a bunch of apartment laps, and did like 25,000 of those. And that's when there was nobody living downstairs. That's the only time I would try it again. I've been able to get our dog Pepper out, and she works a little better on the choke chain, but honestly, it's still a lot more work, and I don't get a lot. I mean, it's a lot. It's a pain in the butt. But she's a puppy, so she's got all that puppy energy. So she's like this way, that way. It's like my hand was killing me from, like, you know, you hold the leash in this hand, and then you hold the other part of the leash in this hand, and it's just like zing, zang, zing, zang, zing, zang. Carrying around bags of poop, you know. Aha. Hey. Yeah, I think I'm going to go back with the right side up. I thought the upside down would be, you know, kind of kitschy. Is that kitschy? Is that the right term? I don't think it's really the right term. This smells good. Okay. This smells good. And don't we have a... This is it, huh? Burnt soy sauce, huh? I'm enthused. I've had some really high-end New Touch varieties. It's funny also, everybody used to call this brand New Touch, and now they're calling them Yamadai. But it's the same logo, it's the same brand. But, I don't know, sometimes it seems like the Zen Pop people don't know what to call things. Because they're kind of, you know, dumbing it down for Westerners, because those are the main people who are buying these boxes. If you're in Japan, boy, you could save a lot of money just by going to the store. Cheers. It's a noodle. It's got a slight crumble to it. It's not bad. There's our broth. Well, I will say the smell is better than the taste. It's kind of a light soy. It's not incredibly strong. I wish it were stronger. It's not bad. The noodle's okay. I'm going to use this bowl because I want to use that bowl for the next one I got. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Maybe. This looks more like a better bowl for Tom Yum. I'm going to use this one. Here's one of the new bowls I got. Yeah. We'll do our noodle comb over. The next one I'm really excited about. Everything that the next company's done has been a 5-star thus far, and they're really good. Where'd I put that? There's that. I was going to use some of this on the last review, which was a Wakami variety, but then I was just like, no. Not really fantastic. I mean, I don't have to use both slices of chashu, but I'm going to, and that's that. I could just eat one, which eventually I will be doing. I'm going to use the torch on it though. And we got some of this. Oh, let's do our sprouts. I mean, this stuff really isn't bad. It's just kind of eh. Yeah, I need to get more mung bean sprouts. These aren't the greatest at this point. I feel so browbeaten. Okay, the next one. I'm really excited about the next one. I think I mentioned that already. Oh boy, the kids are batty. No eggs today. I wish there were some. I have eggs. It's just I didn't make any, and I wasn't planning on doing any reviews today, so it's a little bit of shichimi. And in fact, I have decided I want this chashu to stretch out a little. Come on, chashu. Bingo. There we go. Rotato. Okie dokie. All right, the next one that you're gonna see is this. It's from Ramen Talk, and this is their Tom Yum Goong variety from China. These are really good. I haven't tried this particular variety, but they make all sorts of stuff, and all of it has been 5-star thus far, and you can get it in the US. So, with that, you'll see it on the next one, which will be tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.